You never pay for a product until a customer already paid you. That's the biggest strength of this strategy. Anyone can start a business with AI in a single afternoon because of this. Normally, selling physical products is a nightmare. You buy stock upfront, you store it, you pack boxes, you risk cash, print on demand, flips, all of that. You design a product, a shirt, a hoodie, whatever, and it only gets printed when someone buys it. So there's no inventory, no upfront cost, no risk. You never pay for a product until someone pays you. That's Printify. You make the designs, Printify's partners print, pack, and ship. You never touch a box. And here's what changed everything in 2026. You don't need to be a designer anymore. AI does that part. Let me show you the whole thing. First step, and this one decides if you win. Most people make a generic funny t-shirt that competes with a million others. It sells nothing. Go specific instead. Don't make a dog mug. Make one for stubborn French bulldog owners. Don't make a fishing shirt. Make something like this. And I'll show you how to make this. But what you see here is the difference. A specific person sees that and they think, oh, that's me. I need that. Or they think, oh, that's totally my sister. I have to get this for her. The magic here is mixing a passion with an identity, hobbies, jobs, pets, hometowns, or inside jokes. Those people don't shop on price. They buy because it feels like it's made for them. Personalization, that's what works today. And it's because of the emotions. And here's the pro move. Just use AI. Use Claude to brainstorm. Just ask it for 20 shirt ideas for one hobby. It'll give you the angles you'd never think of. So now you're not guessing. AI is your research partner before you design a thing. Just pick one niche you actually care about, and that's your start. And now it is the fun part, making the product. Now, this used to be the wall that stopped everyone. You needed design skills or you needed money for a designer. Not anymore. Printify has an AI image generator built right in, and here's how it works. You open Printify's product creator. You pick your product, it can be whatever, and then just type what you want. A vintage bulldog wearing sunglasses, bold retro colors. The AI makes it. No Photoshop, no skills, just words. You can add text with clean fonts, you can drop in graphics, remove a messy background with one click. In minutes, you've got a real professional looking product. Now, one honest tip here, this is what separates winners from the crowd. Don't just slap the first AI image and call it done. The market is full of lazy, generic AI stuff already, and buyers scroll right past it. So take an extra minute, tweak it, make it clean and readable, even as a tiny thumbnail on a phone. Clean and specific beats busy and generic every time. And then hit preview. Printify shows your design on a lifelike mockup. I really love this. The photo customers actually see. Your product, done, without spending a cent. All right, we've got the product. Now what? How do we sell it? Well, Printify made it simple. Printify connects straight to the big platforms. Etsy, Shopify, TikTok Shop, and more. It takes minutes. For a total beginner, just start with Etsy. Now, a lot of people will ask me, why Etsy? Etsy is this, Etsy is that. Etsy already has the traffic on its own. Millions of buyers are on there right now, searching for unique personal products, and you're not building an audience from zero. You're putting your product in front of people already shopping for what you make. Just connect Printify to your store, and your design becomes a real listing in a couple of clicks. It all syncs. When someone buys, the order flows straight to Printify's partners. They make it, they ship it, you touch nothing. And here's an edge most people miss. Printify prints across US and Europe. So your product prints close to your customer. That means faster shipping and lower costs, which keeps your buyers happy and your reviews high. And you need that. Okay, so your product's live. Now let's get eyes on it. This is where your real effort goes, and it's what actually makes the sales. Here are a few simple ways to start. These are all free. First of all, let the listing work for you. On Etsy, write a clear title. Use all the tags. Printify can help you with this section here. You can improve the listing with this button, and it'll analyze the listing. It'll write for you the product title, the product description here, all the keywords, And all you gotta do is to click on apply to listing, and here it is. You can use Claude here too. Just ask a chatbot for a keyword-rich title and description for Etsy for a certain product. It's gonna be done in seconds. Second, just use short video. Make simple clips of your product and post it on TikTok, Reels, Shorts. You can do it with your phone. You don't have to make nothing specific, nothing extraordinary, nothing crazy. But one successful video will send a wave of people to your product, and it's gonna be for free. Just show the product, tag your niche, and that's it. Third, you go where your people gather. You made that bulldog shirt. Well, there are whole Facebook groups full of bulldog owners, and this works for any niche out there. Just be part of those groups and share where it's allowed. Now, here's the honest truth. This isn't magic. Making the product is the easy part now. AI handles that. The real work is the marketing, but that's good news. It means anyone willing to put in the effort can win. Skills are not. And once one design sells, scale it the smart way. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Just make more of the same winning niche. If a fishing shirt sells, make more. The hoodie, the shirt, t-shirt, mug, you already know that these buyers exist. That's how one winner becomes a whole store. Now, let me be straight with you because it matters. Print on demand is a real business. It's not a get-rich-quick button. Most sellers don't blow up overnight. It takes testing, a few designs, and a steady effort before it clicks. Treat it like a business, and then it can grow into a real income. One quick tip to keep that income real: price it right. Don't race to the bottom. After the product cost and the small fees, you want a healthy margin on every sale. Printify's calculator shows you the numbers, so you price for profit from day one. But here's why there's never been a better time. The two things that used to stop people, money and design skills, are gone. Zero cash to start because you only pay once you've been paid, and AI erased the skills barrier completely. So the only thing between you and your first product is starting. That's the whole thing. Just pick a niche, create a design with AI, connect your store, and then launch it. You can do all of that today, and you can do it for free. Just head over to Printify. The link is going to be down there in the description. Create your free account. Make your first product right now. Your business is one afternoon away. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.